Hello and good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Great. So a new day and something new to learn also. So today is 29th September 2020 and the day is Tuesday. So a new day. Okay. So what we are going to do today? Today we are going to do our English class. So this is your English class and today I am going to teach you about alphabet G. So we have been doing lot of alphabets. I hope we have almost completed all the alphabets. Only two are left. So one we are going to do today and one in the next class. A part of them we have completed all the alphabets and I hope that you all are practicing the formation regularly and now must have attained Excel also, isn't it? अब आप सबको अच्छे से लिखने आ गए हैं सारे alphabets. So soon we are going to start writing them in a sequence. That is from A to Z. अभी हमने कभी कोई letter सीखा, कभी कोई. So right now we have learned according to the pattern. Sleeping, standing line, slanting line, curves. Like that we have learned the alphabets. Now it's time to compile everything and we are going to begin with our alphabet practice in a sequence form. So today we are going to learn first the formation of alphabet G. So one alphabet G is left and we are left with one more alphabet that I am going to teach you in next class. Okay. After completing these two alphabets, we are going to move ahead and practice writing in sequence form. Okay. So moving towards the formation of alphabet G. So now there are some pictures I have drawn on board. Can you identify them? Let us start identifying these pictures one after the other. So the first picture here I have is a fruit. Can you tell me which fruit is this? Can anyone tell me the name of this fruit? This one. What is this? They are grapes. Yes, you remember we have learnt about grapes. So they are grapes. Now let me write the name here. G R A P E S. So what they are? Grapes. So when we are saying the word grapes, G. Again, listen carefully the sound coming. See, हम G के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं यानी कि the first alphabet. So when you are saying the name, what sound is coming? G, grapes. G, grapes. Isn't it? Then next we have is a musical instrument. Can you tell me which musical instrument is this? Can anyone tell me? It's a guitar. And when we play a lot of musical sounds or you can say songs we can play on this guitar and it's a instrument. We call it a musical instrument and the name of this instrument is guitar. G. Again when we are saying G, guitar. Isn't it? Okay. So when you want to drink water, either we drink water from bottle or we use a, what is this? Glass. So you all know what is a glass? A tumbler, a glass. So glass. Glass. Guitar. Grapes. Grapes. Guitar. Isn't it? Okay now. What is this? We always close it, open it when we want to enter and go out. जब हमें कहीं अंदर जाना होता है we open and we go. When we are going outside our house तो हम इसको lock लगा के जाते हैं. So what is this? It's a gate. Gate. All of our house has a gate. School का, class का, room का, सबका होता है ना? So that is gate. Gate. जिससे हम अंदर जाते हैं या बाहर आते हैं. Okay, again when we are talking about this we are writing when we are writing it gate. Again the sound is coming G. When we talked about glass, we again G, G. Again this G sound was there, isn't it? Now, what are these? Glasses. See, if you look at mine, so they are having a glass here, कांच होता है ये. So this is called glasses. Clear? And this glass is also we are talking about which is made of कांच का जो होता है शीशे वाला, which can break. Okay? So this again a glass. These are glasses. Gate. Then we have something in the garden or park we walk on. Green color की क्या होती है? Grass. Yes. So you all know what is a grass? So that is green in color. जो grass होती है, we walk on it. हमें ठंडा ठंडा लगता है morning में when we walk on a green grass. And you know what? When we walk on the grass in the morning, it is really very good for our eyes also. So try walking, and that too without your shoes. Okay? जब आप without socks and shoes, no slippers, nothing. When we are walking barefoot, that means without wearing any footwear. जब आप नंगे पाँव grass पे walk करते हैं, that is very good for our health as well as for our eyesight. Okay? So when in the morning you wake up now, and if you are having a park nearby, go with some elders, with papa, mama, and take a walk there. It's really very good for health. So grass. Now today is my birthday, your birthday, keeps on coming ना, birthday आते हैं हमारा, and we get lot of gifts. Yes. So what is this? It's a gift. So it's a gift. Now when we are talking about glass, guitar, grapes, glasses, gate, grass, gift. So when we are saying these names, what sound is coming out? Can you tell me the sound that is coming out? G, glass, G, glass. When we are saying glass, G sound is coming. When we are talking about grapes, say with me grapes. So when you are saying grapes, again G sound is coming. Guitar, G, guitar. G, glasses. G, gate. G, grass. See, जब भी हम ये words बोल रहे हैं, सबसे पहला sound G आ रहा है. G, gift. Then G, girl. Girl होती है. So one either a girl or a boy. So G, girl. Then in winters we wear something in our hand. अपने hand को ठंड से बचाने के लिए what we wear that? Gloves. Yes, G, gloves. You must be seeing doctors, they all are wearing these surgical gloves these days. So that is G, gloves. Again we have something with G. Then we have goat. G, goat. बकरी देखी है आपने? G, goat. We call it goat. So again that is G, goat. So I'll write here G, goat. G, gloves. Isn't it? Then we have G, girl. Anything else we have from G? Tell me. G, girl. Then we have G, gloves. Then there is one more fruit like grapes we have from G. Guava. Yes, we have guava. Then I told you about a vegetable which is white in color and mama use it while making vegetables. Garlic. G, garlic. Remember लहसुन garlic दिखाया था मैम ने आपको. That is G, garlic. So these are few things that we can say begins with alphabet G. And the sound of alphabet G is G. G, goat. G, grapes. G, gate. So you remember the phonic rhyme? G, G says G. G, goat. G, grapes. G, gloves. G, girl. Isn't it? So the formation now. Now we are moving towards the formation. So formation of alphabet G. How you are going to do that? Just see here. You all know how to write alphabet C. You know that? So that is how only we are going to begin. Like this, we have written alphabet C. अब इसको थोड़ा सा यहाँ लाएंगे. Then go inside. Like this, a sleeping line, come out, and a standing line. See again. First we'll draw a C like this. We'll go and turn inside. पहले हम ऐसे अंदर जाएंगे. Then you'll overlap the line and come like this. This is the formation of alphabet G. The sound is G. Clear? How we are going to do again? I am telling you. Like this. You will write alphabet G. So don't forget to touch the blue line. See, I just didn't do it. That was wrong. So you will touch the blue line. You will start from this. Don't go beyond. Red line से ऊपर नहीं जाना है. उसको सिर्फ touch करना है आपको. See, like this you are going to touch it. Again I am writing like this. Touch the red line. Again blue line. And then you are going to finish the formation like this. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, now let us revise it once again. All the pictures that we have learned related with alphabet G. Formation of G. The sound is G. G, G, grapes. Say with me. G, G, grapes. G, G, glass. G, G, guitar. G, G, gate. G, goat. G, gloves. G, girl. G, gift. G, grass. Then we have G, guava. G, garlic. Isn't it? Okay. Now moving towards today's work. So book work to be done on page number 22 and 23. So book page number 22 and 23. So this is your classwork. Clear? And in homework as usual, we are going to write alphabet G in our notebook. How we are going to do that? I'll just show you. Okay class? So class, now open your notebook, and in notebook we are going to practice the formation of alphabet G. First we are going to write today's date here. So what is our today's date? 29th September 2020. Clear? So like this you are going to write today's date. So 29th September 2020, and this is your homework. So just write HW like this. Now we are going to practice the formation of alphabet G. Okay, so you can draw anything. I am drawing a bunch of grapes here. You can draw any other thing if you want. You can draw a gate, glass, glasses, anything you want you can draw. So I have drawn a bunch of grapes here. Like this, just draw and color it. Clear class? Now moving towards the formation. So now let's see how to write alphabet G. First we'll write the name of this picture like this. G R A P E S. Like this we have written grapes. See? Done? Okay. Next we are going to do the formation. So we'll start from here. Now see how we are going to write. Like this we'll move. First we'll make a C. We'll go up and like this. अब आपको क्या करना है? Just see carefully. From this you are going to start. You have drawn a C like this. अब C बना के first go to this up till this middle blue line. यहाँ तक जाना है. Middle blue line पे draw a sleeping line and then जो फर्स्ट और सेकंड ब्लू लाइन है, you have to draw a standing line between those two like this. Clear? See, now again I am going to show you once again. See, like this we'll do. We have come till here. Now one sleeping line and then a standing line. So now again we'll see how to do the formation like this. Understood everyone? Again we'll do. You have to be very careful. Do the practice slowly so that you can do it just do it properly and carefully. Take your time to do it, to complete it. Don't be in a hurry. So now, and when you're writing any alphabet now, just speak. G, grapes. G, the sound is G. G, grapes. G, glass. Then we have G, guitar. G, girl. G, gloves. Clear? So like this you are going to complete this whole page and practice the formation of alphabet G. Understood your today's homework also? Okay. So class, I hope you have understood the formation of alphabet G, the sound of alphabet G and the pictures with alphabet G. So let's have a quick revision once again. G, the sound is G. G, grapes. G, gun. Yes, you all play with gun, na? So that is also from G. G, gun. Then we have G, girl. G, gloves. G, guitar. Then we have G, guava. G, grapes. So there are a lot of things with alphabet G. Find some new pictures. Try to collect their name and share it in the form of a small presentation. See, as I tell you about different things. See beta, G, alphabet G, the sound is G and a lot of pictures. So आप मैम को एक छोटा सा वीडियो भेजो approximate 30 seconds or 1 minute and there you can share different names of the things that begin with alphabet G. Clear? Bye for now. Meet you soon with the last alphabet that is left. Bye. Take care.